מה זה? זה חמור. חמור. זה חמור. 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 חמור.
What was that, Will?
Joel, I think it's raining.
How about you do up the car windows?
That'd probably be a good idea. All these other pots are peppers. These are the peppers that I was telling you about. They're like just stupid hot peppers, like ghost peppers times 10. You know, they're the hottest peppers I could find. So, and the seeds. I got more over here. I got more tomatoes. Oh, sorry, behind you. Right down here is potatoes.
This is a whole bed of potatoes. More green, big green. That's all potatoes. This is all potatoes. This is all potatoes. Fucking potato famine? I don't think so.
More peppers, more tomatoes. Some more salad greens. We got.
Because I really love turkeys and I don't want to see them dead in my plate.
Oh.
I prefer to eat potatoes and they don't suffer.
All right.
All right.
Turkey,
Turkey.
roast beef, turkey and cheese, roast beef and cheese, smoked meat. What did you want?
Wow, turkey. And a little bit of cheese.
You want okay cheese? You wanted smoked meat, so 2 smoked meat, 3 turkey.
You have the cheese?
I have cheese, of course I have cheese.
If you don't have enough turkey, I'll take
There's
that.
more than enough. I'm just 3 turkey sandwiches. Okay, well, that's okay. Because nobody wants roast beef. You want a roast beef. That's why one roast. So not turkey. Yeah, it makes me all up here. Fuck, stop. You're making it complicated. Okay, just you and your fucking.
Why don't we write it down?
You got it. Okay, so here we go. We are doing sandwiches 101 today at Brain Damage Barbecue because it's too hot. They got the Franken-Smoker one up and going.
It's stupid.
Because it's like, I gotta turn the weather channel on so I know the temperature so I can tell you. It is 27 degrees. It feels like it's 42 degrees. 27 degrees Celsius, right?
Yeah.
Well, actually, in here, in the garage, it's 30 degrees Celsius, which is 90 degrees Fahrenheit in this garage.
Wow.
So it's hot in the garage. And that's why we are making cold cut sandwiches today. Because it's just too hot to get this Franken-Smoker one going and just cook in in here. I don't want to cook today. I just want something light and cool. So I went to Metro, got some really nice home-baked bread, got it sliced up. Not sponsored by Metro in any way, but this bread is so delicious. First sandwich we're gonna make a shaved turkey sandwich. Somebody run and give me the cheese. It's on the top shelf of the fridge.
You did ask him.
Yeah, we were on it once.
If you want cheese on it, then somebody has to go get me cheese. So.
I know, but Matt asked you.
explicitly asked.
So made it. I didn't hear him. I wasn't paying attention to Matt.
You answered him. You said, yes, we have cheese. Of course we have cheese.
Well, I didn't know I would hear. I know we have cheese, but it's inside.
You didn't make that specific in any way.
Oh, nobody asked me, do we have cheese out here? They just said, do you have cheese? Of course I have cheese. Duh. Why wouldn't I have cheese? So you want mayonnaise and cheese on yours, right?
I know,
I'm
Nadia.
making yours first.
It hurts, doesn't
That's
it?
Nadia.
The
Pay no
brain
attention to
damage
her.
is brain
She works at
damaging.
Sport Cuts
Yeah,
down
I
in
know.
Orleans on 10th line. Go there if you want your haircut, because she does a really good job.
Okay.
Little do you know.
All right.
All right.
You want a mohawk? She's the one to talk to.
Excellent.
Thank you, sir. That's Matt.
That's Matt.
Audi guy. He actually looks like.
He's just weird and strange. Like Batman.
There you go. There you go.
Actually, he likes Star Wars. I wonder what Star Wars things he has. I bet you he's got some really cool shit.
Star Wars underpants?
No Star Wars, he has.
Tell you like 3 things of Star Wars. Wow.
The Star Wars underpants?
How many have you got them?
Oh, look.
Of Star Wars stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, really? The collectible things that I got, those things are worth like millions.
The fuck they are.
They
no,
are.
Mine, what I got him, are worth millions probably. Pop
You-
book figures.
Mad Magazine, Star Wars, did you like that?
Yes, I actually was just looking at
Fucking smiling.
Playing cards? 3D playing cards? Thank you. What else did I get? What else was there? Hey, come on.
Another Star Wars book.
it. Yes.
A very important book. It tells you all about Star Wars.
It goes through the 3 first movies.
The movies that we know, well, that I know, me and Lawrence would know.
He knows them too.
No, I know, but he wasn't brought up with them. We were.
He definitely was, but that's okay.
He wasn't. They
They didn't come
were
out
not
at the same
released when he
time.
was a kid.
Yeah,
He
he
wasn't.
still grew up with them.
He didn't grow up with them. We grew up with them.
No,
He
he's right.
discovered
We
it.
grew up with them.
Oh,
we
okay.
remember the toys in the 70s.
Okay, yeah, for sure. But we have the,
It's all Kenner
2000
toys.
toys.
Yeah.
Star Wars.
Okay, anyways, back to the sandwich here.
You can't
put
injure
mayonnaise on
yourself
it.
with kids'
Okay,
toys.
dude,
too,
sandwich over here.
What?
Okay,
It's very exciting here.
there we go. Okay, so
Oh yeah.
we got the turkey down. We got the mayonnaise on there. We got a piece of cheese, smoked, signature smoked cheddar,
There we go. Yeah.
Cracker Barrel. Not sponsored by Cracker Barrel, but their cheese is delicious. So there's a piece of smoked cheddar on there.
Beautiful.
Slap that down like that. Nadia,
Say that he can't be sponsored.
here's your sandwich.
Yay!
Turkey with smoked cheddar and mayonnaise for Nadia.
Very exciting.
Next sandwich is roast beef for Matt. Where's the roast beef? Oh, we just about lost turkey. Okay, slap some roast beef down there. No sauce, just roast beef and cheese, right?
Yeah.
This is home-style bread, sliced today, baked today, sliced today from Metro. Nice and soft and fresh and delicious. Roast beef. See, when you put it down, you roll it like that. See, then you can get 3 pieces on there. So you roll. Oh. Now, if you wanted mayo and mustard and stuff, it would definitely stick a lot better, of course. There you go, Matt. Your sandwich.
Yay!
Roast beef and smoked cheddar.
Thank you.
Okay, now I guess we're gonna do 2 smoked meats. That'll be for Will and Lawrence.
There you go. Yay!
Nathan, where's he? Is he over there?
He's inside.
Well, he's gonna have to come out for his sandwich pretty soon. So this one I'm gonna pull out 4 pieces. Wow.
It's toasty.
It's not that it's hot, it's very humid.
Yeah.
So it's very sticky. It's not like the desert, which is a dry heat.
No, it's not quite like A-Lot. Yeah.
Crazy heat. I like working in heat when I'm doing stuff. Okay, so
It's more like rainforest.
okay, so that
It's alright,
yellow mustard. Guess it's not open yet. No, it is not. Look at that, brand new mustard.
Brand new mustard.
And it's French's, so it's Canadian. Okay, so we want a little bit of mustard. 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 And you do the same thing with the smoked meat. You go back and forth and make like a little ribbon. Cheese?
No, not for me.
Cheese?
No way, no way.
Okay.
There we go. Agreed.
Oh, you know what would be good on a smoked meat sandwich is fried capers. I should try that.
Fried capers.
Yeah, fried capers, I love them. They go great on smoked meat.
Okay.
They also go good on savory salads.
Look at that, huh? That's a Hall of Famer.
All right, let's do it.
All right, here we go. Yeah, watch this baby slide.
Okay.
Look at that, perfectly done. A little bit more mustard. Okay. Seem to have just cooled off. Like I don't feel as sweaty now. All of a sudden, like it feels like really different.
Cold front coming through.
Yeah, maybe.
It rained and the humidity broke.
I could spit more than it rained.
It rained enough.
Okay, so Will, there's your sandwich.
Yay.
Like I've been teleported back
There
to
you go.
Montreal.
And Lawrence,
Yeah.
there's your no. Just take it and put it somewhere. I have no place to put it. I'm busy here, so give it to one of them. You know.
Right.
Don't put it on here. This is the work area. Give it to somebody.
Thank you.
I don't understand why that was so complicated.
Hamor gadol. Hamor gadol.
So what do you want on your turkey, Nathan? Just mustard? No cheese and cheese?
What? I was here when the turkeys were being made. Yeah.
And you do the same thing with the turkey too. That one ripped a little bit, so piece of extra.
I'll try making the beef on Lex sometime.
Nathan, your sandwich. The turkey with mustard and smoked cheddar. There you are, sir. Now, Joel's sandwich. Save the crust for later. That piece of bread has a hole in it. That piece of, and of course, the last three pieces of bread have holes in them.
All right.
Isn't that nice?
Conspiracy.
Well,
Sure to get
then Joel doesn't get a sandwich.
What?
Oh well, dude, I'm not gonna make a sandwich with holes in it. So that's it. Sandwich making 101. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification buttons. Keep it beefy.